Welcome back to my channel. This is the second video from Davinci Resolve tutorial videos. In today's video, we are going to create this map highlight animation that are used by magnates, media, and other creators on YouTube. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. I downloaded this stock video from Pexels. First, go to the Fusion page. Press Shift and Space and add a planar tracker node. Then draw the area you want to highlight. Then click on Set and begin tracking. Davinci Resolve will automatically start tracking your selection. After it finished tracking, click on Create Planar Transform button. Move out the planar tracker node by holding Shift and moving around. Then add a background node and connect the background to the Media 1 output. That will create a merge node. Change the background color to make the highlight appealing. Then click the polygon mask when background is selected. That will make the background invisible. Then start masking like I did before. Reduce the color blend on merge section. Then place the transform node between the background and merge node. Then untick Show View Controls. Add an outer stroke on Template section. Reduce the shadow and change stroke color. And that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to not miss upcoming videos.